Learn how to get a Texas hardship license. The qualifications and steps for teens under 18. Welcome to Express Legal Funding's video guide on how to get a Texas hardship license for teens. In this video, we will explain what a hardship license is in Texas and guide you through eligibility, application steps, and necessary documents for obtaining this special driver license for minors. So, what is a Texas hardship license? A hardship license in Texas, also known as a minor's restricted driver license, is a special license that allows teenagers who are at least 15 years old to drive without having a licensed adult in the front passenger seat due to specific extenuating life circumstances. What is considered a qualifying hardship for a Texas hardship license? Under Texas law, qualifying hardships include unusual economic hardship, illness or disability of a family member, or enrollment in a vocational education program that necessitates driving by the minor. Unusual economic hardship means that if the hardship license is not issued, the teen's family will face significant financial difficulties affecting their basic quality of life. For instance, a minor who needs to drive to help with essential farming or ranching tasks, which are their family's primary source of income, may be eligible for a hardship license. To qualify for a hardship license due to family illness or disability requires a physician's statement confirming that the family member cannot drive due to their health condition. Without the family doctor attesting to this, the hardship license can't be issued to the applicant when claiming a family sickness or disability-related hardship. To qualify under the vocational education program provision, a vocational or technology school must certify that the teen is enrolled in an approved program that requires a driver license to participate. Without this certification from the school, the license cannot be issued under the law for this situation. Although not directly mentioned in the Texas Transportation Code, a death-related emergency also qualifies as a hardship. It's listed on the official hardship license application form. A teen needing to drive by themselves to school or is the only one available to support their younger siblings in the absence of the deceased are death-related emergency hardship situations that can be considered. How to apply for a hardship license in Texas? To apply, applicants must complete a Texas hardship driver license application form and submit it with supporting documents to the Texas Department of Public Safety, DPS, in person at a driver license office. It is important to note that all driver license appointments have to be scheduled in advance over the internet. Employees are strict about no walk-ins and play gatekeeper. Like with a standard application for a learner's permit, hardship license applicants must provide proof of U.S. citizenship or lawful presence, Texas residency, identity, and completion of a driver education course as part of the application process. In addition to questions addressing eligibility due to a qualifying hardship, the form includes sections gathering info about health conditions and medical history that could affect an applicant's ability to drive safely, like epilepsy. Finally, the last two sections of the form require the applicant's parent or guardian to sign their parental consent before submitting it. Ultimately, the Texas hardship license is designed to help teens facing extenuating life circumstances, such as financial hardship or family medical needs, gain the ability to drive independently early. We hope this free resource guide helps you navigate the process of getting a Texas hardship license. And if this video didn't make you cry, that's a good thing. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any questions. For more helpful legal and financial tips and tricks, be sure to check out our many expertly written guides and custom videos exclusively hosted on expresslegalfunding.com. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.